Hi everybody, and welcome to our ODC lab shop, our new direct-to-consumer offering, which we are making available because we believe in making easier access to root cause healthcare. So you can order your own labs here, no appointment required, but I want to share 5 things with you. And the first one would be that we are here as a resource. So please use our clinic. We've worked hard to improve access to our clinicians. We take insurance. Many of our clients get full coverage. So even though you can order your own labs here and we believe in allowing that access, we encourage you to connect with one of our clinicians to review what labs might be appropriate for you, because a lot of clients come into our clinic thinking they want to run hundreds of dollars worth of labs, and honestly, usually we can review the intake form, review their symptoms, talk to them, and have a really great starting plan that starts to help them feel better right off the bat without having them have to spend a lot of extra money on more labs. Most people have the basics from their general physicians, and labs can be really valuable, but when it's appropriate and when it's the right timing. Otherwise, you can also end up spending a lot of money on labs, and it might not even change the plan that you would have done already. So number 1, please use our clinic as a resource. Number 2, if you don't know what labs to order, please just schedule with one of our clinicians. We take insurance, all that information's on our website. And then number 3, if you're hoping to get insurance reimbursement for these labs, please know that if you're ordering direct to consumers to right here yourself without our clinic, Rupa, which is the company we use to allow you to order these labs, they cannot create a super bill. And a super bill is like an insurance receipt that you submit and then get reimbursed directly if you have the coverage. So the only way we can create you a super bill is if we're ordering the labs through our clinic. And also for ordering labs through our clinic, we're not going to charge you that admin fee, so they're a little cheaper as well. And that's not our rule, that's just the rule of how it works. So if you need a super bill, then you have to order it through our lab and can't use the direct-to-consumer option. That's only cash pay. Number 4, you might notice that we don't have food sensitivity testing listed because the best food sensitivity test that we've found is not on Rupa, and it's mediator release testing. So if you are interested in this, then schedule with our clinic, and if it makes sense, then our clinicians and our team can help get that ordered for you. But again, a lot of people, they want to do food sensitivity testing, but we have to think about, why are you having all these food sensitivities or food intolerances, and what can we do to improve your gut environment and the health of your gut in the first place so that you don't even have as many sensitivities or intolerances? So we always start there. You might know my own story where I had a lot of intolerances, avoiding a lot of FODMAP foods, high FODMAP foods, had some other sensitivities, and now from the work I've done improving my gut, there's really one food that comes to mind that I can't tolerate, and that's milk, and I get acne. I can tolerate all the FODMAPs again. So it's always important that we try to get to that root cause, right? And cutting out a ton of foods, that's not the root cause. We have to figure out, why aren't you tolerating? And then on that note, we also have access to almost 3,000 labs through Rupa. So on here, this direct-to-consumer listing, you'll just see some of the most popular ones. But if there's a lab that you're really looking for, curious about the price on, and it's not listed, just ask us. We probably have it. I mean, there's almost 3,000 labs. We probably have it. So just email our clinic, hello@oswalddigestiveclinic.com, and we'll look into it for you. Now, number 5 is just that it might be controversial that we're offering direct-to-consumer labs like this, but our stance is really that we believe in improving access to you and making healthcare easier and not gatekeeping, not being a parent to you. We believe that you can make the right decisions for you, and we would just hope that you've gone through the route of ruling out anything more serious. If you're having severe symptoms, working with our clinic, if you really feel like you want some extra support, but also if you want to go on your own journey, we believe that you should have the freedom to do that and just own your decision in that. And so that's why we're making this available to everybody. And we get a lot of questions on social media too about different costs to different labs. So now we have an easy way to share that and be more transparent to people about what these lab panels cost so that they can make the best decision for themselves And again, they can connect with a clinician at our clinic to help with making those decisions too. And there's something to be said about working with somebody that has a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge and training in this arena, and leaning into that, because we can help save time, we can help you feel better quicker, we can help you save money in a lot of situations, just given the fact that we might be able to avoid you buying a lot of supplements or labs that end up don't working, just because we have a more streamlined approach for what we know does and has worked for people in situations similar to yours. So that's it. Thank you as always for your ongoing support for our clinic so we can continue to do this work. We are so grateful, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.